us, ganyan. Kasi nga, McDonald's nila eh. So parang sabi ko, shocks, kailangan, I really have to bring my A game talaga. Kasi they will trust us with the brand, ganyan. Sobrang cool nilang lahat. Tapos parang tuwang-tuwa kami lang team namin. Parang, sige, kasi sa literal na McDonald's talaga kami nag-shoot. Parang sige, just order everything, it's on the house. My gosh! Childhood dream come true po yun! Order it!
Ayan, ako naman po, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for spending this holiday with us, with McDonald's to celebrate this event. Maraming salamat po. Again, we do encourage you to please install the app. Napakadali po niyang gamitin. Makikita niyo doon yung mga limited offerings nila. Tapos meron doon restaurant. So parang matatrack niya kung nasan ka. Tapos makikita mo yung mga nearby McDonald's na wala sa ibang food delivery apps. Kaya isa lang yan sa mga perks ng mismong McDonald's app. And syempre, the rewards, yung points talaga. Kasi every order may points ka eh. Hindi ka talaga titipirin ng McDonald's. Talagang laging may point yan. So sana ay you get to support and install the McDonald's app. Thank you so much.
Yes, and straight from Barbie na yan So if you do not download the app,
We love you, Barbie!
everybody, Barbie, Forteza, and David Lecao. Thank you so much. Let's give them a round of applause. Ayan. There you go. Pati picture. Ayan. Thank you so much. Once again, Barbie and David Lecao. Perfect. So guys, narinig nyo straight from them that the McDonald's app, McDonald's Rewards launch.
Ako po, at siguro another core memory with McDonald's that just happened recently, together with my friends from Barbie na. Yung birthday ko po, last July, nag-organize po sila ng outreach program. Celebrate ng birthday ko together with McDonald's sa Child House sa Quezon City. Sila po ang nag-organize.
We love you, Barbie!
Mga ngiti ng mga bata nung nakita nila ang McDo. Kasi very iconic talaga yung McDo eh. Alam nila pag McDo parang, masarap ang chicken dito, marap spaghetti dito, ganyan. Tapos parang lahat sila, excited sila kumain lahat. Tapos meron pa kaming mga party hats na may McDo. Kung napanood nyo po sa social media, core memory po talaga yon. And I'm just so happy to be part of that memory with McDonald's and with my friends from Barbie Natics.
Yes, Barbie Natics, mag-ingat!
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Yes, how about you, David? Do you have a message to everybody who showed up here today also to join us?
Thank you so much for being here.
Barda reunited again para sa isang McDo Rewards event kanina sa Glorieta. Present sina Barbie Forteza at David Lecao dahil sila nga endorser pa rin ng McDonald's. At ito naman kumanta sila ng introduction nilang maging sino ka man, OST ito ng kanilang previous serye. Kaya naman masaya tayo dahil finally, nagkasama muli sila sa isang event at syempre dinayo pa rin ito ng mga fans ni Barbie Forteza, mga David Troops at mga Barda fans. Again, congratulations sa event kanina. It was a successful one.